Hello friends and welcome to this tutorial of Slidescope. This is our step-by-step Android tutorial for beginners. This is a video series and it will have several parts. This is the part 1 of our series, and in the part 1 we are going to discuss about from where we can download Android Studio and Java. Android Studio is an IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. It is basically a software from where you can create Android applications. This is a software where you can write the code, or where you will get the user interface to create applications. Android Studio looks like this. As you can see, we have written some Java code here, and we have written some XML code here also. So also you can switch between design and text mode. So if you have to drag and drop something here, you can drag and drop from here, or you can create something. You can create buttons, you can create text fields, you can create text views, everything from this design mode also, or from this text mode also. So whatever these options are, or whatever you are seeing here, we will try to understand in the next parts of this video tutorial. This is Android Studio, and this is an IDE from where you can create Android applications. So first you have to install this IDE, and in order to install this IDE you have to open this URL. This is developer.android.com/studio. You can ignore this part for now. Uh, so I will provide the link, these two links in the description also. So either you can simply go to Google search and search for download Android Studio, or you can type this URL, or you can click this URL, and you will be seeing this screen. In this screen, you can clearly see that download Android Studio is written. So you can click this link, this button, and your download will start. Currently, my computer is a has a Windows operating system, and it is of 64-bit. If you have any other operating system, or if you have a computer of 32-bit, so you can choose between various options. Uh, you can click here on download options, and here you can see various options are there. It is Windows 64-bit. This is a zip file. This is again a zip file of 32-bit. For Mac users, you can download this DMG file. For Linux users, this is the package tar.gz, and from for Chrome OS users. So there are various options available. So you have to download any one of this as per your operating system. Again, Java is also required because Android is based on Java also. So you have to download Java Standard Edition, Java SE. So I have provided the link of this link also in the description. You can follow that link to download Java in your computer. If you already have Java in your computer, then you can skip this step. Now, this is the first part of our tutorial, because this file is of 720 MB, so it will take some time. So this is the first part of our tutorial, and simply download and then follow our next part. Thanks for watching this first part, and stay tuned for the next part.